HP ProBook for 40 G11.
Unity System Solutions.
The HP ProBook for 40 14-inch laptop provides growing businesses with a durable, budget-friendly PC featuring tools for productivity and multi-layered endpoint security too essential for commercial-grade performance. Powerful performance with Intel Core Ultra 5 processor. The HP ProBook for 40 14-inch G11 is equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 5 125U processor, featuring 12 cores and 14 threads, with a base frequency of 1.2 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.3 GHz. Efficient storage and memory. This model comes with 8 GB DDR5-5600MT SES-RAM, providing responsive system performance. The 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD offers ample storage space and quick data access, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Graphics: Intel Arc Graphics. Battery type: HP Long Life 3 Cell, 56WH Li-ion. Display 14 diagonal, Wuxka 1920 by 1200, IPS, anti-glare 300 nits, 45% NTSC. Color gamut 45% NTSC. Brightness 300 nits. 5MP IR camera. Featuring a chic-let keyboard and a sleek pike silver chassis, the HP ProBook for 40 G11 combines style with functionality. Keyboard spill resistant. Optional backlit keyboard with Dura keys. Fingerprint sensor.